Hi guys, a lot of people has been asking the question that what is forex trading, because they see a lot of people claiming that they are trading forex, they are buying Lamborghini, they are buying luxurious house. A lot of people claiming they are trading forex and living a luxurious lifestyle. So many questions are still asking that what is forex trading. So if you are someone that is still here confused, or you have not gotten any answer that's in any video that answer your question, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I will be treating the very critical topics in this video that will let you understand what is actually forex trading. If this is your first time watching video on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you will get notified about my video and you can come back to watch it. Now let's go back to what we have for today. What is forex? It's very simple. I already explained. It's a foreign exchange. What is foreign? Foreign is something that is not being produced locally. Me, I'm a Nigerian. As we are in Nigeria here, there are some things we are producing locally and there are some things we are not producing locally. For instance, crude oil, we are producing locally, but we are trading it international market. Naira is our local currency here, but it's being traded in international market. Compared to USD is not our local currency here. It's not part of our currency here. USD is foreign currency. Pounds is foreign currency. Euro is foreign currency. All those ones, they are foreign currency. Now, what is now the exchange? Exchange is just simply means you exchange something for something. Trading something for something. Whether you buy, sell, or swap, definitely there is something being exchanged from you. Now, foreign exchange now means that you are exchanging your local product or local something for a foreign something. For instance, the ideology is that in forex market we only trade currencies. No, we are not trading only currency, because in forex market you can trade gold, crude oil, US oil, silver, wheat, a lot of them like that. And we have digital currency too, like BTC, Ethereum, that you can trade on a forex market. So it's not limited to only currency, but anything that that is not locally exchanged. You cannot go to Aboki and buy sweet and call that one a foreign exchange. But if you go to Aboki and buy dollar, that's foreign exchange, because you exchange your naira for dollar. We are not the one producing dollar in Nigeria here. So foreign exchange simply means that you exchange what you have locally to collect for foreign something. It's not a must to be in a monetary value. But what I'm just breaking down is, okay, let's just use Naira as an example. Naira is our local currency here. USD is not our local currency. It's a USD local currency, which is the United States of America. Now, let's assume that some of our guys in Nigeria here, they want to go and study in USD, they want to go and study in another outside country. And we all know that international market, the currency they are accepting in international market is USD. Now, if you want to pay a school fees, or you want to ship something from outside flowers in outside country out of Nigeria, you want to pay in USD, you don't have dollar, you need to go to Aboki to go and buy dollar, which means you are going to be selling your naira. You give Aboki your naira to collect dollar. So what you just simply do in that process is foreign exchange. You exchange the naira for dollar. And let me tell you another thing. You giving Aboki naira, you sell the naira to Aboki, and Aboki buy naira for you. Now, if Aboki give you dollar, Aboki sold dollar to you. You, as a person, buy that dollar from Aboki. So that's when I tell you that in foreign exchange, which is forex market, we do buy and selling. Let me see. Some people will say, what if I swap? No. Even if you swap, you exchange something for something. You exchange what you don't have for what you do, what you have. I mean, you exchange what you have for what you don't have. And if that thing happen, definitely you are still what? Exchange still happening. You still do what? You still buy and you still sell. Because what you don't have, you buy it. And what you have that you give out, you sell it. It's as simple as that. It's not, that's why I say it's not a must to come in a monetary value. So in a forex market, we do buying and selling of not only currency, with commodity, digital currency, and so on and so forth, but anything that can be exchanged or traded internationally. Like we know that crude oil is being traded internationally. We are having some issue now due to Iran and US war, because the crude oil that is coming from the Gulf country are not allowed to move to the Western countries. We are having a shortage of crude oil in the whole world. You can see. The estimate of crude oil is not happening, and that's why everybody is facing the global problem of high as the crude oil price being high. So that's simple foreign exchange. Now the next one is that what do you need to trade forex? Number one, you need your mobile phone. We all know that if you don't have mobile phone, how do you want to have access to internet? If you are using all this Nokia touchlight, how do you have access to mobile as it what is happening in the whole world? This word now is no longer a word of news. Like let me turn to this local news and hearing what is happening. No, everybody has been engaging in going to internet and getting information. So if you don't have a mobile phone like Android or iPhone, you will not have access to the forex market, because this market is being traded worldwide. And the only place you can participate in there is by you having a mobile phone that have internet access. After mobile phone, what do you need again? You need internet connection. We all know that even if you have Android or iPhone, if you don't have data which is going to connect you to what is happening in the whole world, you will not get any information. Even your WhatsApp, if you don't have internet connection, your WhatsApp will not work. So you need internet connection to power your phone to be able to connect to what is happening worldwide. And that's exactly what you need to power your phone to be connected to the forex market. Number three, what you need some trading app, because we all know that when you are using iPhone or Android, you know that for you to have access to some information, there are some mobile app that has been designed for that kind of information. If you want to go into finance, if you are using OP will tell you that for you to have access to your money, download the OP mobile app. If you are using PalmPay will tell you that for you to have access to your money at any time, any day, download PalmPay app, and so on and so forth. So in forex market too, we have some apps that they are very important that you must download for you to have access to forex trading. And what are the apps? You need MT5 or MT4. You need TradingView, and the third one is my FX book. But strictly for you to have access to the forex market, you need TradingView and MT5 or MT4. Anyone you want to choose, you need them. So number 4 that you need for you to have access to the forex market is that you need a broker. Now you'll be asking that, okay, in the real life scenario or in a physical business, if you want to buy dollar, you go to Aboki, they give you dollar, you give them naira. So how do you participate online? It's due to the broker. Brokers are the ones standing like Aboki for us online. That's why brokers are being regulated like the way our banks are also being regulated. So brokers too are also being regulated because they are also dealing with finance. And I won't lie to you, without their help, me and you that you are watching this video will not have access to forex market. Because forex market has been existing for a very long time, since 19th century. But it's been traded by only big men, central banks and maybe insurance company, pension company. But broker come like, how do we make people like retail traders to come here and them to be able to trade with their small capital and be able to make money? That's for you to scale up your life. So that's why we have brokers that step in and say, okay, let us be intermediary between forex market and retail traders. So you need a broker, and for you to select a right broker for yourself, you must select the broker that you think that you know that they care about traders, because we have a lot of brokers in Nigeria now. A lot of them are coming with their own manipulation. Not all of them want to make money, but we have brokers that are still regulated and they still want every trader to also make money in the market. So if you want to know the broker I'm using, go to my bio. You will see the link of my broker there. That's the broker that I'm using for trading, to trade for a very long time, and they've never given me an issue. No chart manipulation. They are fast, as in they have fast deposit and withdrawal. Especially no chart manipulation, no slippage. Those two things are very, very important when you are selecting a broker. Not only deposit and withdrawal and loan you should consider. Number 5 of what you need to be a trader or for you to participate in forex trading, you need capital. This business is not a business whereby you exchange your skills for money. This is not a software dev. This is not a cybersecurity. This is not a tech. You need a capital to start trading. In this market, that's when they use more language of now money we dey use look for money. That's the simple language that market understand. But for you to, you're just learning, you can also use demo account for you to practice. But to be sincere with you, you cannot make money on demo account because it's a virtual fund. If you really want to make money for yourself, you need to fund your account with real capital. You take trade on a real life account. Any money you make there, you can withdraw it. But on a demo account, if you like make $1 million, nobody will pay you. The last thing that you need, which is number 6 on my list that you need to be a participant in forex trading, is knowledge. A lot of people overlook this. Knowledge, you cannot. This forex trading is like every other career. If you want to be a software developer, you go and learn it, how to code, how to do with programming language and all those things. If you want to be a cybersecurity, you go and learn it. If you want to be a product designer, you go and learn it. So in forex trading too, you learn, you acquire knowledge, because the market also move by pattern. You acquire knowledge of how this market is moving. Because you can't go to US, UK, to know what is happening there before you trade in the market. I'm a Nigerian, I'm trading, and I've been a profitable trader for the past 4 years. I've never been to US, I've never been to UK. But due to my knowledge I have on the chart, I analyze and do all those things, I'm able to be able to analyze the market and translate the language and take advantage of the market for my own benefit. So you need the right knowledge, and not only knowledge, right knowledge, for you to be a profitable trader. The next question that you'll be asking is that, who are the people moving market? Now, this one is very, very important. Like I said, we retail traders trading with our $100, $200 is not enough to move market. Even our own money is what they are using to take as liquidity in the market. There's something we call liquidity. We'll get to that place in the next video. But our own money is not enough to determine the market, because markets still move with the rule of supply and demand. The higher the demand, the higher the price. The lower the demand, the lower the price. The higher the supply, the lower the price. The lower the supply, the higher the what? The price. We all know that. Market is still moving with the supply and demand rule. Now, my $100 that I'm using to buy cannot move the market. My $200 I'm using to buy cannot move the market. But we have people who are like into central bank. We have people, countries, they are using millions of dollars to buy, or when they want to sell, they are selling in bulk with millions of dollars. They are the ones moving the market. They are the major pusher. Because when they listen to, central banks see that, like for instance now, there is war between Iran and US. Investors and the central bank are like, what is the impact of this war on the USA, on Iran? So that will now determine if they should invest in Iran currency or they should sell off their currency. So when they sell off from USD currency, it will be weak. But when they are saying, USD is good to get strong, so they buy it, it appreciates, it go up. So these are the way that central banks are investing their money. They are pushing their money to buy or sell in the market. So when they want to trade GBP USD, they look at it like between pounds and US, which one have high chance of gaining strength in the next 6 months, in the next 3 months. That's how they see their own movement, and so that they can use their money to buy it. They buy with millions of dollars. The another level of major trader we have in the market, they happen to be insurance and pension company. Do you know how much these people are controlling? People who are going to insurance, they go and insure their property. They are people that are pensioners. They open pension. Bro, I won't lie to you. Insurance and pension are scam. They are just using your money to fund for their own benefit. Have you asked yourself that how many people insure their car, and when they have issue, the company come in place to help them? No. The pension, you even have a pension with them, when you retire, for you to be able to claim your money will be hard, because they've already pushed your money to trading. So they are part of people who are major pusher, major participant in the market. After that, we now come to the corporate company like Tesla, all those kind of ones. They also have a lot of funds they can push to the market to determine the direction of the market. But them to also follow the economical news, the rule of supply and demand, which currency is going to appreciate in the next future before they push their money. They ask that question before they know the currency they are going to buy. So, and these are the things that when you have the right knowledge, you will have smell it on your chart before you say, okay, this currency. So they will have seen the footprint of what they want to do before they move the market. So you also can go align yourself with them and make money along with them. So the last participant we have in the market is the retail trader, which is me and you. We are the least in the market. Our $100, $200, $500 is not enough to push the market. It's not enough. But just that for the sake of for the broker that has come in, they help us to do or to be for us to be a beneficiary in the market. The next question people will be asking me is that how much do you need to start trading? To be sincere with you, it depends on the broker. Some broker allow you to deposit at least maybe $20. Some broker allow $20. Some broker allow $50 and above. So it depends on broker. But me personally, as a mentor or as a trader, I will advise you that if you really want to trade and make money in the market, make sure you start trading with $100 and above. But your broker will give you minimum deposit. Even some broker allow you to deposit up to $5, but it's not enough for you to even make anything in the market. If you really want to make money in the market, I will advise you to start trading with $100. So the next question that people will be asking is that how do I start trading in the right way? Number one, to be sincere with you, this is one of the problems that a lot of beginners or struggle traders always avoid. Make sure you have financial stability before you start trading or you go into trading. If you are not financially stable, you will be messed up in the market. You will not be able to learn in the right way. You will not be able to calm yourself down to follow the right process of you being a profitable trader in the market. And this market, if you put money there, they don't understand whether you have knowledge or not. Once you click on buy and sell, your money has gone. So you must be financially stable for you not to be trading under pressure. Market is not for broke people. It's for people who want to scale up their income, who want to scale up instead of them to save their money in banks. They want to be risking it to be using it as an investment in the market. They want to scale up their financial source of income. It's not a place whereby you say, okay, because you are starting from zero, no, I won't lie to you. You'll be messed up. Your psychology will be messed up in the market. So the right way you need to start, number one, make sure you are financially stable before you start trading. Number two, acquiring knowledge. There are a lot of influencers online now. There are a lot of people that will come. I made $1,000, I made $20,000, I made $100,000. They are just making noise for you. Not all of them are really traders. Not all of them are really profitable traders. The real traders that are making money are not even making noise in this on social media. Let me be sincere with you. So, and for you to learn the right way, you must make research as like, does this person have the right knowledge to give me? Because if you don't learn the right way, you also will not be able to trade it the right way in the market. So acquiring knowledge is very, very vital when you want to start trading after you have financial stability. Number three, you must trust the process. Dedicate time for you to learn. Dedicate time for you to practice. Before you go to live account. This is the gap between profitable trader and struggle trader. Struggle trader are just trading under pressure like, hey, I want to make money, I want to do this. No, forex doesn't work that way. Forex work in a way where you are stable, you are composed, you are calm. And when you already follow the process, you will have extra confidence in yourself. You learn basic, you go to intermediary, you learn about strategy, you practice your strategy on demo account, you see that, okay, this strategy is actually working. You go to live account, you have a full confidence in yourself. Like every other career, it's not immediately you finish learning, you go to and start applying for a job. You first go for IT, industrial training, or look for somewhere you can just join yourself and practice for you to go or to gain refeed experience. That's when you have to also start trading on demo account first before you go to live. Backtest your strategy that is it actually working before you put it them on a live account. Number four, which I'll be telling you, understand the risks that come with forex. This forex trading is a risky business. It's the most risky business in the whole world. You can't avoid it. Understanding the risks will put you on the right path of trading. And that's when you'll be able to learn risk management the right way in trading. If you just ignore risk management in your trading career, forget about every other thing. You are already gone. You are already a loser. You'll just be blowing account, because this market is not about your strategy, it's not about your knowledge, it's about your survival. Survival is the real strategy in the market. So if you now ignore risk management, definitely you are ready to do what? To be gone in the market. So these are the things that you need to know as a beginner or someone that is looking for how to start trading in the right way. Thank you all for staying up to now to watch this video to the end. If this is your first time watching video on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload the next video, which I'll be talking about a critical topic for every beginners or struggle traders to also consider to adjust in their trading career. And if you're someone interested in joining my Telegram channel, the Telegram channel is under the description box. Make sure you click on the link and join my Telegram channel. I actually don't really give signal. If I have a trade, I do send signal, but I'm a swing trader, so I'm always very bored. But if you already want to learn with me, or you want to acquire the knowledge, join my Telegram channel and start following every process of you learning along with me. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.